Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Things not adding up in this fairy tale environment analysis. http ntvforex.com news ID 2BC1318252020 11:37 am. We are in fantasy world, or what we call a fairy tale environmenta. Just like in the fairy tale Alice in Wonderland, as the young girl was falling through the rabbit hole, she kept on seeing amazing things and facing many adventures. Corporate bankruptcies are running at a record pace. The travel industry, restaurants, commercial office space are all at the brink of collapse, but the stock market is all buoyant. In many ways, we are in an economic situation that we cannot comprehend based on past experiences. No past presidents have attached performance of the stock markets to the presidential's office as much as President Trump has. All the support from the Fed and Treasury were supposed to lift the economy from the grassroots level, which will eventually lead to higher stock markets. What has happened is that the asset prices have gone up and continued to go higher, but those benefits are not trickling down into the economy. The rise of stocks like Apple and Tesla are not explainable with old valuation methods. To add fuel to the fire, both companies are taking measures to make it more accessible for bigger speculations. One of the main reasons stocks rallied yesterday was that President Trump announced emergency authorization for a new COVID-19 treatment: convalescent plasma. In layman's terms, it is the blood plasma from patients that have recovered from the virus. Believe it is heavily laden with virus antibodies and has been shown to reduce deaths by up to 35%. President Trump is so desperate to find a solution for the pandemic that is ravaging the nation, he is prepared to go any lengths. He somehow wants it a few weeks before the election. His team probably is banging on a solution for the pandemic and a strong stock market to give him a fighting chance to win the election. All the three major asset classes are showing signs of a turnaround, as we have been projecting in our recent reports, but the equities are in a different world. Let's look more in detail. Equities with yesterday's close in the Dow and S&P 500. One can expect more subdivisions to the upside. Only a break below 3,355 in the S&P 500 and a move below 27,525 will invalidate the current strength. Bonds, after making another rally to 180 yesterday, think bonds must have topped out. The downside supports are at 177.15, but we are looking close to 170 going forward. Euro, as outlined in our last report, the euro carried itself to 1.1850 and has fallen back. Eventually prices should come down to 1.1500. Gold, after making a low on Friday at 1911, gold rallied to 1962. This up move has been in three waves, indicating that it is corrective in nature. The next leg of its move should be more forceful and trending. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.